Have you ever thought about making money on the side, but didn't know where to start? Well, look no further because I have found an incredibly easy side hustle that can make you up to $1,400 per day. And the best part is, it doesn't require any previous skills or design capabilities. All you need is a computer and internet connection. In this article, I will guide you through the entire process of creating and selling stickers using AI technology, from generating ideas to putting your stickers up for sale. Step 1. Idea generation. To start this side hustle, we will be using an AI tool called ChatGPT to generate sticker ideas. ChatGPT is a language model that can generate text based on prompts given to it. In this case, we will ask it to give us a list of ideas for animal stickers that we can sell. Once we have a list of ideas, we can move on to the next step. Step 2. Sticker creation. For this step, we will be using another AI tool called Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI tool that can create images based on your prompts. It is hosted on Discord, so you will need a Discord account and the Discord app downloaded on your computer to access it. Once you have access, you can input the prompts generated by ChatGPT and Midjourney will create the images for you. You can choose from different versions of the same image and download the one you like in the highest quality possible. Step 3. Background removal. After downloading the image, the next step is to remove the background. You can use a free online tool like Photopea or Canva to remove the background. Simply upload the image and use the magic wand tool to select the subject, then remove it from the background. Step 4. Selling the stickers. Now that you have your stickers ready, it's time to sell them. There are many platforms where you can sell stickers, but for this article, we will be using Redbubble. Redbubble is a marketplace where artists and designers can sell their work. You can set the price for your stickers based on what other sellers are charging and list them for sale. In conclusion, selling stickers using AI technology can be a profitable side hustle that anyone can do. With the right tools and a little bit of creativity, you can create and sell stickers that people will love. Remember, the more stickers you create, the more money you can make. So, if you're looking for a way to make extra cash, give this side hustle a try. Work hard, play harder.